Hello everyone! Welcome to Moody Cakes by Isang channel. This cake is not oven baked but rather steaming process. Also, I decorated using only spoon. So if you want to know, please watch the whole video. This cake is also super soft, just like a sponge cake consistency. I'm using 8 cm high baking pan. If you have higher than that, much better. In this recipe, I am making homemade buttermilk. Please watch the procedure. Combine together all the dry ingredients. In the other mixing bowl, combine the liquid ingredients, but I include here the sugar so that it will dissolve easily. Add the homemade buttermilk. And now add all the dry ingredients. Cover with foil to prevent the water dripping into the cake while steaming. I'm using 24 cm round pot. If you have wider than that, much better. The water should be less than the metal ring. In this time, I off the heat and let it rest for a while to prevent from burning my hands. It reached up to the foil, but don't worry, there is still a solution. To check for doneness, insert a bamboo stick into the middle. If it comes out clean, then the cake is done. the ganache is still runny, rest for a while like 5 to 10 minutes or until spreading consistency. Before decorating with ganache, make sure that the cake has cooled down completely. And now using the power tool, only the spoon to decorate the cake. If the ganache is still running, keep pushing them out and eventually it will just set. Using back of the knife, clean the sides. And lastly, use a kitchen paper to wipe out the remaining ganache. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.